Hey, I'm Joe, and this is my buddy Will, and we just want to play a message to all the hurricane victims out there. When the night was young, of the rain, the only light that you see.
I won't be afraid from Sandra. You know, she's very windy and it's scary sometimes. Darling, stand away from Sandra. Oh, stand away from Sandra. Because she's very windy and very rainy too, and she makes trees fall down.
In the light of the night, lean down and stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, won't you, darling, stand by me? Darling, darling, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Well, the night was young. Oh, play David. Hey! Oh, wait a minute.
It's
Joe.
It's Will Delarev.
Joe Delarev.
No, it's Joe Scorpiotis.
All right. I always get confused.